Hello, my dear students. We were discussing the divisibility property of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Let's write the notes. Divisibility rules of 2 and 3 you have written already. Now you just write the next heading. Divisibility rule of 4. This given here divisibility rules, just you write divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility spelling, can you see here? Divisibility, divisibility, divisibility rule of 4. Then you write a number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if you have any problem to write, please look at the screen and write. If the number made by the last two digits can be divided by 4. 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 If you couldn't write, please look at this. A number is divisible by 4 if the number made by the last two digits can be divided by 4. Without spelling mistake, you could write. Look at the screen well and write it. Okay. Next, example you write. Example, e.g. example 9312. 9312. Don't copy the same, right? 9312. Below that you write 12 can be divided by 4. 12 in the digits you write 12 can be divided by 4. 12 can be divided by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible. Spelling is here divisible. D-I-V-I-S-I-B-L-E. Divisible by 4. Okay. Next, divisibility rule for 5. Divisibility rule for 5. Divisibility rule for 5. Right? A number is divisible by 5 A number is divisible by 5. Can you see the screen? Look at the screen and write. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Example 615. Put a hyphen. You just write, put a hyphen, you know that how to put hyphen. 615. Then in the same line you write ends in 5. In A5 no need of write ends in 5. 615 ends in 5. Next 1480 ends in 0. Ends in 0. Okay, I think you completed. Next, divisibility rule for 6. Divisibility rule for 6. Right? If a given number is, let me zoom this. If a given number is, if a given number is divisible by 2 and by 3, if a given number is divisible by 2 and by 3, no need of full stop, you continue, then the number is divisible by 6. Then the number is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Example 594. Example 594. Below that you write 5 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 18. 5 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 18. The next two lines you don't want to write. Put a comma and write 5 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 18. Put a comma and write is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. Below that also it is divisible by 2. Divisible spelling you are repeating, so I think that you are able to write divisible. Also it is divisible by 2. That is 594. THAT, that is 594 is divisible by 6. Is divisible by 6. If you cannot complete, please look at the screen and write. Copy the same. Other than the last two steps. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 9 equal to 3 into 3. That you don't want to write. Okay. Completed. Next, divisibility for or divisible by 8. The same you copy. Divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Underline and write. A number is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits are divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits are divisible by 8. If you are not getting, please look at the screen and write a number is divisible by 8. Look at the screen and write, don't get any mistake, spelling mistake I mean. If the last three digits are divisible by 8. Examples. Example, not examples. Example. You write EG. Example, we are writing EG. 2568. 2568. In digits you write. Don't want to write in a sentence. 2568. Below that you write 568 is divisible by 8. 568 is divisible by 8. 568 is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Okay children, let me ask, how can you find 568 is divisible by 8? Do the long division method. Okay. No other property for this much only. If you didn't complete, please look at the screen and copy. I'm giving that much time. Okay. Completed. Next heading, divisibility rule for 9. 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 Okay. Below that you write, a number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9. Can you see the screen? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the the sum sum of of the the digits, 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 of the of the number, number is divisible by 9. Okay, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. Example, 495. 495. 495. Below that you write 4 plus 9 plus 5 equal to 18. Put a comma and write is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. After 18 you put a comma and write is divisible, divisible, divisible by 9.